Most people get cryptocurrency exchanges wrong by assuming they are all the same, but Huobi stands out with its security features, trading options, and global reach. Today, I'll share my personal usage experience so you can see what works and what to watch out for. Huobi offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to smaller altcoins. Most people get this wrong by sticking to only a few coins, missing opportunities to diversify. The platform supports spot trading, futures, and staking, which is great if you want to earn passive income on your holdings. Security is a key feature. Huobi uses cold wallets, two-factor authentication, and regular audits to protect funds. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the importance of exchange security. Losing access or facing hacks can be costly. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, but also has advanced features for experienced traders. I appreciated the analytics tools and real-time charts, which make trading decisions faster. However, there's a learning curve if you are new to futures or margin trading. Fees are competitive, with lower rates for high-volume traders or those using the native Huobi token. Deposits and withdrawals are generally straightforward, though some fiat options depend on your region. Most people get this wrong by not comparing fees, which can add up over time. In conclusion, Huobi is a reliable exchange for both beginners and advanced crypto users, offering security, variety, and useful trading tools. Most people get crypto trading wrong by choosing exchanges without considering security, fees, and available markets. But Huobi delivers solid features if used wisely. Subscribe for more honest crypto exchange reviews and usage tips to help you trade safely and efficiently.